Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. So first you need to launch your Instagram application and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So here what you're going to do next is you have to tap on again these three lines at the top right corner. And here you have to scroll down till you see the block option. So you have to scroll down right here, and then you have to look for the privacy. It's also in the privacy, you will see block accounts, or in the who can see your content, tap on block. You will see here the accounts that you have blocked. And in order for you to unblock someone on Instagram, you just have to simply tap on this unblock button right here to unblock them. So you will see this information once you have unblocked these people. They will see your profile again and can interact with you. If you're okay with that, then proceed or continue with unblock. So after this, the person can see your profile and interact with you again. Now, if you encounter some problem with unblocking someone, it's about time to update your Instagram. In order for you to do that, you have to go to Google Play Store, and then you have to search for the Instagram application right here. So once you found Instagram application, if you see an update button or the update button, you need to tap that one. Updating your Instagram will remove any logs and bugs that you may encounter. So just tap on update, wait for a couple of seconds, and open your Instagram again. So basically, that's how easy it is to unblock someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.